In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve a pull request on GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's log into your GitHub account. Familiarizing ourselves with GitHub is essential because it's such a powerful tool for developers. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile. This gives you access to all your repositories, both public and private. Now, let's go ahead and open the specific repository where your project is stored. You can find this under the Repositories tab in your profile. Once you've opened your repository, you'll want to look for the Pull Requests tab. This is usually located near the upper navigation menu of your repository page. Clicking on that will take you to a dedicated section where all the open pull requests for this repository are displayed. Each pull request represents code changes that someone has suggested, typically to improve a project, fix bugs, or add new features. Next, let's dive into reviewing the changes. From the list of open pull requests, select the one you want to review. Each pull request typically comes with a description that outlines what changes have been made and why they are necessary. You'll want to take your time to check this description carefully. Then, browse through the code changes themselves. GitHub provides a neat interface that shows you exactly what has been added or removed in the code. This is crucial, as it allows you to ensure that everything is correct and conforms to your project's standards. You should also check for any existing comments or discussions. Sometimes other collaborators might have already raised questions or suggestions, so it's good to see if any of those need your attention. Reviewing these elements gives you a comprehensive view of the pull request and helps you make an informed decision. Now let's say that you're satisfied with the changes and feel confident about merging them into your project. It's time to approve the pull request. You should see an Approve button, or sometimes it's labeled as a Merge button, depending on GitHub's current layout. Click that, and this action will incorporate the contributions into your project history. It's a simple step, but it plays an important role in your project's ongoing development. After you click Approve, GitHub will handle the rest, allowing you to easily keep track of contributions. If you're feeling particularly diligent, you can also leave comments during your review to provide feedback or appreciation for the contributor's effort. This can foster a collaborative atmosphere and encourage higher quality contributions in the future. And that's it. You've successfully approved a pull request on GitHub. With every approved pull request, you're not only growing your project, but also fostering an inclusive community of developers who can contribute and enhance your work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, approval isn't just about merging code. It's about ensuring the quality and integrity of your project while encouraging collaboration. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video for more insights on